Hi, I'm Marissa Boone with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 23 Pelican Court, a beautiful executive bungalow in Hanwell's Eaglewood Subdivision. This beautiful ranch-style bungalow offers new light fixtures, a new top-of-the-line heat pump, and a great layout with the master bedroom on one side, followed by the sitting room with propane fireplace and patio doors leading onto the back deck. Next is the eat-in kitchen with plenty of workspace, a breakfast bar, and new stainless steel appliances on the way. Off the bright living room, you have the home's main bathroom and 3 more bedrooms. Two of the bedrooms share an ensuite bathroom. From the back hallway, you have access to the 5th bedroom, and the large laundry room with great built-ins and access to the double-car garage. Let's head downstairs. On this level, you'll find a sitting room, a family room, a large rec room, and plenty of storage. Thanks for watching. For more information on 23 Pelican Court, visit realtor.ca.